Welcome to this video where we will be discussing one of the most advanced natural language processing models developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-Training Transformer, is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-Training Transformer, architecture, which is a neural network that uses attention mechanisms to generate human-like text. The model is trained on a massive dataset of text data, allowing it to understand and generate text in a variety of languages and styles. It can generate text, answer questions, and complete various natural language understanding tasks, such as language translation and summarization. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to be fine-tuned for specific use cases. This means that it can be tailored to specific industries or applications, making it a valuable tool for businesses and researchers. For example, it can be fine-tuned for customer service chatbots, language translation, or even creative writing. Here you can see the model being fine-tuned for a specific task, such as answering customer service queries. The model is able to understand the nuances of the language and respond with a human-like answer, providing a seamless and efficient experience for customers. Another example of the use of ChatGPT is for language translation. The model can be fine-tuned to understand and translate multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for businesses that operate globally. ChatGPT can also be used for creative writing. It can generate stories, poems, and even song lyrics. It's a tool that can be used by writers, marketers, and content creators to generate new ideas and inspiration. That's it for this video. We hope you have a better understanding of what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. As you can see, ChatGPT is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used in a wide range of industries and applications. Stay tuned for more updates on cutting-edge AI technology from OpenAI.